In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a section divider banner using custom shapes, ideal for breaking content into clear visual sections. Start by creating a wide horizontal canvas in Photoshop. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw a long, rounded rectangle across the center. Choose a subtle accent color that doesn't overpower the design. Add a circle or badge shape in the middle of the banner for a title highlight. Use the Type tool to write a section title inside the badge. On both sides, add thin line or rectangle shapes to extend the divider visually. Duplicate the banner, place it behind, darken it slightly, and offset it to add depth. Zoom out. The divider now feels clean, structured, and professional.